Other tools: module function introduction, quick bar toggle, drawing comparison. Shortcut bar. This command is used to open the toolbar located below the drawing window. Click the shortcut bar function. Executing this command toggles the toolbar at the bottom of the drawing window on or off. Layer filtering. This command is used to filter out the layers for functional operations. Click the layer filtering function. The dialog box lists all the layers of the entities on the drawing. You can make selections within the dialog box or directly select layers from the drawing. Multiple selections are allowed. After clicking OK, select the entity to filter the layer. The program will filter out all the layers of entities within the selected range. This command works best in combination with commands such as copy, delete, and move. Layer filter completed. Entity filtering. This command is used to filter out certain selected entities during the entity selection process. Click the entity filtering function. Choose the queue method for selection. You can set the conditions for filtering. After parameter setup is finished, click OK. Choose the entity to filter, right-click to confirm. Select the entire range of entities to be filtered. The program automatically highlights the filtered entities in a selected state. Entity filter completed. Document compare. This command can be used to compare two calculation books in Word format and identify the differences between them. Click the Document Compare function. Specifies the current document and the original document. Clicks the Compare button. A new document will display the modifications and differences between the two documents. Note, it is best to close the Word program before using the Document Comparison feature. Document comparison completed. DWG compare. This command is used to directly convert lines or arcs into polylines. Before using this command, open the two drawings that need to be compared. Click the DWG compare function. Use the mouse to click and select the DWG drawing files to be compared from the drop-down list. At this point, two windows appear on the screen, opening two DWG files with different names. Full drawing comparison involves comparing all the contents of the open DWG files. Unchecking full drawing comparison. Then specify a base point to define the comparison area. The comparison content is divided into ordinary entities and external references. Click the Start button. The results appear on the File Comparison toolbar. Click the Comparison Results View the List button to display the list box of different entity attributes. Double-click any item to zoom to the difference. When the Highlight Differences button is grayed out, at this time, the different parts of the entities in the two windows are highlighted. Click the Only the Differences are Displayed button. At this time, the window only displays the different entities between the two drawings. Drawing comparison completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.